This is a power-up test of the Makerbase MKS Gen L version 1 board with TMC 2208 drivers on an Ender 3 Pro, and just to demonstrate the what appears to be a power on self-test. So I'm going to switch on the power. BL Touch is initializing, and all the motors appear to be cycling back and forth. The stock LCD screen is just beeping. I suppose that's some sort of self-test. There's no display. And the MKS Gen board is just flashing little lights. No smoke, so I guess that's a good sign. Nothing else appears to be working. So that's it. Just a demonstration of what happens when the board is powered on. I haven't flashed Marlin. This is just straight out of the box. No additional firmware changes or anything like that. Just purely mechanical and wiring it up.